There is something Rasulullah told us, موت الفجأة, sudden death. Aisha radiallahu anha, she said, it's a punishment for the wrongdoer and a mercy to the believer, because we don't know when that time comes. So we want to ask Allah to give us a good end, to give us husn al-khatimah. What is the dua for that? But before I teach myself and teach you the dua, let's define, what does husn al-khatimah mean? What does good end mean? Many people think that husn al-khatimah, that a good end is to die in sujood, a good end to die with the Quran in your hand, a good end to die in the masjid. These are all great. But did any of this happen to the best man ever created? He died on his mattress. Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, the second best man, on his mattress. Khalid bin Walid on his mattress. So we say they did not have husn al-khatimah? Husn al-khatimah, a good end is to die when your heart is free of shirk, when your heart is